In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can install PHP web server in Android, and install WordPress on it. For this, first go to Google Play Store, and download XWeb app. I have already installed it, so I am going to open it. Here the server status is enabled. Make sure the Apache and SQL server is enabled. Now download latest version of WordPress web application from official website of WordPress. WordPress is 100% free to download, and it is now the most popular free web application. After the completion of download, visit the download folder and copy the WordPress zip file to the phone storage docs folder. Here in docs folder I am creating a new folder named shop, and extract the copied zip file. Now the content of the WordPress folder need to be copied to the shop folder. Now go to XWeb app and go to PHP MyAdmin page and create a database named shop. Now open any browser app like Chrome, Firefox etc. and type exactly what is shown in the address bar. If the previous steps are done correctly, then it leads to WordPress installation page. Now go to browser page and enter your database details. Default database username is root, and keep the password field blank, and rest of the field is same as I am doing in this video. The next step is to set up your site details like title, admin username, password etc. and then click Install WordPress button. After the successful installation you will be able to log in with your admin details. From the admin panel you can post, edit existing articles, install plugins and themes. In my next video I shall show you how to install Commerce in Android mobile web server. My small request to you to subscribe my channel and like this video. Your little like definitely encourage me to do more useful stuff for you.